Okay, hopefully it registers on camera correctly, but like you can see it a little bit, but you would not really know that I have on foundation. This is the only thing you're gonna need this summer. I'm not joking. Now, if y'all really want to know the show of the summer, it's really her right here. This Anastasia Beverly Hills. You just need you a little skin tint, and it has SPF, it's moisturizing and all that. I'm an oily skin girly, but this was perfect. Primer right here, real quick. Little 1-2. Woo! Like, baby girl. This is her. She is me. And this is perfect for my summertime. Oh, the summertime, like, my foundation doesn't work for the summertime, but this right here is perfect. Really just put her on all right here. All right here. And matter of fact, I'm gonna do the other side and show y'all the foundation I be using. I was using the Born This Way for the foundation. Baby, this had me looking ghostly. Oh, I'm gonna just use my little beauty blender because I'm not gonna waste my stuff. So boom, this is my foundation over here on this side. And this is the skin tint on this side. Like, this mattifies my face and everything, but in the pictures I was looking ghostly. Let me take a picture so y'all can see. So I just recorded on my phone so y'all can see the true difference, but I'm gonna blend her all in. It just gives a skin finish. Like, it just looks like I don't have foundation on. This right here just makes me look white. Look at this. Look how it's oxidizing or whatever it's doing, drying. It's making my skin look white. No, ma'am. Like, it has to match my neck. I didn't even blend this into my neck, and it's already looking so good. This is the only thing you're gonna need this summer. I'm not joking. I'm not kidding. Okay, so now that I've let them both dry, this is looking like skin, and this right here is giving like a white cast. Just imagine taking pictures with the flash. Baby, you can see it. It's like a different color from my neck. It just looks matte and dry. This is just giving skin like on the beach. Perfect all over complexion. This right here, no, I look ashy. We got our color and we know what we're gonna be using all summer. Let's just finish the rest of the face. You don't even gotta do too much, which is crazy. Let's take this shit off though. Let's get this squared away. But now let's do the full face. Let's do the full face and see what it gives, because I'm feeling myself now. Okay, so now that I got the skin tint everywhere that I want it, kind of just like spread all over my face. You know, it's the summertime, not too much. Like, we don't got to do too much. This is not like a crazy tutorial. Like, we don't have to do all that. Now, what I will say, I don't know who that white man is on my TikTok. I don't know his name. He ate that up with the nose contour thing. I don't even know if it's like a hack, but baby, I used it the other day and it was given. So anyway, I just grabbed my little NYX, whatever y'all used to contour, and he just contoured the whole nose, right? Like, just all over. I know this is wow. If it's giving dirt, he said, then it's working. Then we doing it correctly. So whatever, give it dirt. You know, make it dirty. No Christina, no Aguilera. But this is what he said to do, right? So when you're using your concealer, that's when you're going to contour your nose. Like, now that we got all this, put the line straight down the middle. So, ooh, a little bit more. Straight down the middle. Boom. And I don't remember if he put that dot, but I want that little dot, okay? That's what I want to do. So y'all do what y'all do, how y'all do y'all nose contour, but that's how I like it. Then he said, don't even hit the middle. Don't even hit the middle yet. Just blend this out. Don't fucking touch the middle. Don't. So that's what we gonna do. And I don't even know if I'm gonna edit this video, but it's been like a good 2 or 3 minutes. We running out the door, okay? Summertime, okay? Because we got shit to do, people to see. You know. So boom. Whatever, right? We got the nose contour. We're gonna let it melt, I guess. So the lady at Sephora said that the skin, this skin tint right here, the one I used as my foundation, she said this skin tint right here is really moisturizing. Obviously y'all can see that it has SPF and whatever. So she was like, I don't know if you're gonna want that because it's really moisturizing. And I'm like, if I said it, I think it should be okay. So I'm setting it with the Laura Mercier, and I use honey because I don't like using a white one because my skin is obviously not white. I was not a blush girl, but I was like, I gotta grow up. So this one's just from Target. I think it's from the Milani brand. It's the color Spiced Rose. And girl, we only got like 2 more steps. Boom, 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 boom. Boom, boom, boom. Y'all add as much as that little as y'all want to. This is just me. Too much, okay? Then we add the lashes and some gloss. Blend this in and we about to go. So let's add the lashes. Boom, like I told y'all. Lip gloss, lashes, and we just gotta blend this out right here. This the last step. Oh, girl. Like, just be so for real. Stop talking to me. Just I'm not even a makeup girly for real, but like, don't piss me off. But anyway, yeah, they ate with this one. Let me go though. Y'all know I live in Houston and it's thunder and raining. Let me go for my lights turn off, charge my damn phone. Anyway, thank y'all for watching.